Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2620 code, don't ignore it. This code is related to the throttle position output circuit, which is important for proper engine throttle control. What does P2620 mean? P2620 stands for Throttle Position Output Circuit, open. In simple words, the ECU has detected an open or interrupted circuit in the throttle position output signal. The throttle position system tells the ECU how far the throttle is open. This information is used to control fuel injection, engine response, idle operation, and acceleration. If the throttle position output signal is missing because of an open circuit, the ECU can store the P2620 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2620, you may notice: check engine light on, poor acceleration, slow throttle response, rough or unstable idle, engine hesitation, reduced engine power, poor fuel economy, and sometimes limp mode. In some vehicles, the engine may have difficulty maintaining normal throttle control. Sensor location: the throttle position sensor is normally located on or inside the throttle body. On vehicles with electronic throttle control, the throttle position sensors may be integrated into the throttle body assembly. The sensor is connected to the ECU through an electrical wiring harness. Common causes: the most common causes of P2620 include faulty throttle position sensor, open signal wire, broken or damaged wiring, loose electrical connector, corroded connector terminals, poor sensor power or ground, faulty electronic throttle body or ECU problems in rare cases. A damaged wire or poor electrical connection should be checked carefully. Quick diagnosis: first, scan for additional throttle-related trouble codes. Inspect the throttle body connector for corrosion, moisture, or loose terminals. Check the wiring for broken or damaged wires. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's power, ground, and output signal circuit. Monitor throttle position data with a professional obd2 scanner. Slowly press the accelerator and make sure the throttle position signal changes smoothly without dropping out. How to fix P2620: repair the open or damaged wiring. Repair loose electrical connections, clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace the throttle position sensor if it is faulty. Replace the throttle body assembly if the sensor is integrated and cannot be serviced separately. Clear the trouble code, then perform a throttle relearn or calibration procedure if required by the vehicle. Final result: fixing P2620 can restore accurate throttle position feedback, improve acceleration, stabilize idle operation, restore engine response, and help prevent limp mode. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.